Hello and welcome to NewsX Auto. My name is Shiraz, and in this video you will of course see the top speed, and I'll be attempting a top speed run, and I think I'll be able to achieve the top speed. You by now you already would know that it hits the limiter at 160. So you would have already seen many videos on it. However, in this video you will get some additional information. For example, if the GPS is working fine, you will know the actual true top speed. Okay, you will know the speed of error, and of course you will see the coolant temperature. Right now I'm sure you're aware that in Delhi we are experiencing the hottest summers yet, so you'll know if you do a top speed run and ride to the max, what would the coolant temperature be. And by the way, the low fuel light just came on, so don't worry. Okay, it has sufficient fuel for this run and for me to go back and fill up the fuel. And yeah, let's ride. And yeah, I'll also try to redline it in each gear just to show to you what the maximum speeds in each gear are. First gear, were the first three gears, and fourth gear. It is hitting the red line at and there you have it, the top speed run. The coolant temperature has indeed come down, because of course at that speed, you know, the radiator gets a lot of air. See, this is the best part about this bike as far as performance is concerned. It hits the top speed, you know, too quickly. All right. And yeah guys, I hope you like the video. Do leave a comment and do hit that like button, and do subscribe if you haven't already. I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Guys, I thought I'll add the top speed in urban mode as well. So essentially in urban and rain, okay, the top speed would be less, and sport, track and supermoto, the top speed remains the same. So essentially, you know, the power output you know, is restricted in urban and rain, and you get full power in the other three modes: sport, track and supermoto. All right, so I don't have to do it in urban and rain. I'll just do it in either rain or urban. So about 9,200 is the ceiling. Why not show it to you in rain mode as well, right? Yes. It should be the same. Yes sir, same. Guys, so yeah, I would have again have to do the closing. Gives me a chance to request you to you know, subscribe. Yeah, so you please do subscribe if you haven't already. Do hit that like button, do leave a comment, and I shall see you soon in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.